Today I am going to show you how to enroll your personal iPhone or iPad into Microsoft Intune using the company portal app, and I will walk you through every single screen so you know exactly what to expect. Let's get started. Open the Apple App Store on your device and search for and download the Intune company portal app. Once installed, open the app and click Sign In, then log in with the user account you want to enroll this device with. The app may ask you to enable notifications. Click OK, and then decide whether you want to allow or not allow notifications of company portal app. Either choice is fine. You will now see 4 steps laid out to complete your enrollment. So let's go through each one. The first step is review privacy information. Click Begin, and it will show you exactly what your organization can and cannot see or do on your device. If you are okay with this, click Continue. The second step is Download Management Profile. Click Continue, which will begin downloading a management profile onto your device. A prompt will appear asking for permission to download. Click Allow. A pop-up will tell you that profile was downloaded. Click Close to close the pop-up. Now click Continue to move forward. The third step is Install Management Profile, and this is where most of the action happens. Click Continue, and it will show you exactly how to install the profile that was just downloaded. It says Open the Settings app. You will see a banner at the top that says Profile Downloaded. Go ahead and tap on it. Now tap the Install button. If your device has a passcode or a password set, it will ask you to enter it. Tap Install again to confirm, and then tap Install one more time. Now tap Trust, and wait for the profile to finish installing. Once it is done, tap Done. At this point, your device is technically enrolled in Intune, but there is one more step left to complete back in the company portal app. So go ahead and open the company portal app again. The app may automatically detect that the profile has been installed, or you can tap Yes, I installed the profile yourself. Tap Continue to move into the fourth and final step, where your device will check in with Intune and pull down all the policies your organization has configured for you. Once that completes, you will see all 4 steps marked as done, and your device is now fully enrolled in Intune and ready to use. If this walkthrough helped you get enrolled, drop a like. It really helps the channel, and subscribe for more Intune and Apple device management tutorials. I will see you in the next one.